Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Grrrr. I got broads in Atlanta, just in Dublin and Noventa, credit cards and the scammers. Pandas! Are you ready? Good morning, my pandas. I'm Bye Money. Thanks for joining. We are live, back at it again. Oh, what a pleasure to be here today, pandas. I'm telling you, today it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be absolutely insane, pandas. Are you ready? Get hyped, pandas. Get hyped. Absolutely. Pandas! If you don't know, then you don't know. If you don't know, then you just don't know. It is not too late to join the giveaway. It is not too late to join the giveaway. You can still do so by commenting on the pinned message, the video and the pinned message. Do you know what day it is today? Do you know what day it is? Get hyped, pandas. Get ready. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I hope you're ready. I hope we get some good price action today. Been absolute trash price action for the last couple days. I would say last like week or so has been pretty trash. Pretty trashy. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty terrible. Pandas. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Scalp that like button, because today's stream is gonna be crazy. Tar, hello. Yoji, what? Jeffrey, all sup? Brides, check your email. Kevin Mack, good morning. Blue Steel, good morning. Bobby, good morning, pandas. YL, I hope I win twice today. I hope you win negative twice today. Crimson Demon, good morning. Rohan, good morning. Tate, good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Kringle, good morning. Toadman, welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. I'm going to just say it right now, pandas. Just to let you know. If you don't know the password when the giveaway happens, you cannot win. I will say a password sometime during the stream, and I'll make it very clear that it's the password. But you got to know the password in order to win the free TPT accounts. I mean, the TPT accounts are as good as gold, as good as money itself. The TPT accounts, the potential of trading, absolute no consistency rules. It's like hitting jackpot. If you can get free accounts, even better. Pandas! I'll tell you right now, you got to stick around because I'm trying to separate those who are just joining simply for the giveaway versus those who actually want to sit and enjoy the content. So if you don't know the password, you can't win. I'm giving you guys a heads up now. So you guys know that there will be a password sometime during stream. You guys will be ready. So you guys have the heads up. I will announce the password sometime today. Sometime today. Sometime today. Who knows? Who knows? I might change the password. Maybe I'll give the password and not change it. Just see for those who are just joining just to see the password once. And then leaving and then joining back on the stream. Maybe the password will change. Who knows? It's just, you just never know. But pandas, what's important is that you are here now. And I appreciate you guys joining. Is a password? Password is not. It is not. Maybe we'll do a poll what the password should be. So you guys decide. You guys decide what the password will be. It'd probably be something that I say often during stream. A bamboo. A bamboo. It's definitely not gonna be Ronda, whatever. Titted. I don't think it's gonna be titted either. Big Mama. Oh, these are all good suggestions. All good suggestions here. Big Mama. I'll pull a poll up. I'll put a poll up to see what the password should be. Daycare, did I miss the code? No. You did not miss the code. I'll probably repeat the code like a couple times throughout stream. If you're watching, you definitely won't miss it. Easy peasy, easy money. Great password. If you can't beat them, join them. Gotta lean into the mistakes, you know what I mean? Lean into your mistakes. Curious to see what happens. I'm hoping today's price action is actually decent. We have absolute trash price action for the last several days. So hopefully today, bananas is definitely the code. You know what? The banana actually did come to mind. I don't know what it is with the word banana, but it seems like a common password. Like something, for some reason, it just seems like it would be a good password. Banana. Easy to remember. Lots of A's, lots of N's. I don't know. Fun to say. Who knows? Feels like entry long here, but not in a good situation. Not in a good context. It's just really a random place. Lots of overlapping bars. And we do got to push down, but lots of overlapping bars here. Showing limit order market. Pandas. Let's wait till market open. We got no news today. No news today. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. We are ready live. At it again. Trading the Nascraq. Every single day here. Thanks for joining. If it's your first time, I hope you guys enjoy. Just sit back, relax, enjoy. Jump in the chat every once in a while if you want. It makes it better for you and for me. You know what I mean? It makes it better for everyone. Increases the quality of the stream if you just jump in chat. Just say hi. Say your thoughts. Say whatever crazy thing you want to say. I personally, if it's something crude, I usually won't repeat it or read it. I like to keep it somewhat family friendly here. You know what I mean? Never cussing. Keeping it clean. You know how it is. You know how we do it. Little something for everyone, you know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know what to do here. There is a couple hits on this trend line, and if we were to draw this is how it would be on the other side. Right now it looks choppy. I'm gonna send him a pause. Thoughts and players. Is that what you guys think I'm saying? Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and players. That's pretty funny. Your password is Nascraq. Password is Ronda. Why is Ronda Rousey coming so many times? It's just I've never once said I thought Ronda Rousey was attractive. I've never these words have never left these lips, these panda lips. It's always been someone else on stream accusing me of liking Ronda Rousey. I don't know why. It's so random. I don't think Ronda Rousey is pretty. She's not attractive. She's like. She is 100 out of 100. I mean, you know, like 100 being the worst. Underdog Trader, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. It's not too late to sign up for the giveaway. You can sign up for the giveaway at the video in the pin message. Make sure you guys comment on that video. I'm going to grab a random comment from that video. I figured that's the best way to do it because I was doing it another way before, and it's a little wacky. I was like grabbing a random chat from before, which I like because, you know, you can grab from people who are engaged. But the problem is that there's like a time limit. Knowledge hub, what's the password? Hasn't been said yet. Disgusting, yeah. Press action, disgusting. Alright, we are going back and forth here. What are we doing, pandas? What are we actually doing here? Absolutely choppy. Hopefully, I mean, what comes first on this channel is that we're trading, right? That's the first things first. That's the main part. That's the main thing about this stream. So we're going to focus on the charts here, right? We're not getting too far ahead of ourselves. Let's try to get some good bamboo today. That's the main thing. Second entry short, but in a bunch of chop. Bunch of chop here. I'm going to set my pause. Got to wait for this chop to resolve here. It's quite disgusting here. Okay, let's get some movement here, pandas.
2,500 tick trap.
Let's get it here. You literally just said it. I mean, you know what I mean. Fail second entry short. Do I even like it here? Possibly. Possibly like it here. I mean, it's just, but look at this. I mean, this is just, when you have a price action like this, you kind of just want to stay away from it at all. I can waste a bullet here. Let's see. 3 loss differential.
500 tick trap.
That's how I save myself a ruin. 3 loss differential. Oof. Pushing way too hard down. Okay. Maybe I'll let one candle finish on the 5 minute. At least one candle. Preferably you want like 5 candles to finish on the 5 minute before you trade. Get a good sense of the price action for the rest of the day after the first 5 candles. Typically. A new low created here, pandas. What's our daily chart looking like? Okay. Weekly chart. Okay. Pushing down pretty hard. Quite hard, actually. Like 6 bear bars in a row. 7 bear bars in a row now. Touching the bottom of this channel that I made. Bounces off very definitively here. Off of that. Bottom of that channel. Maybe some people taking profits there. Let's see. Some people taking profits. Okay. Just watching, pandas. No clue what's happening here. I mean, if we get a definitive bounce, maybe I'll go long here. Potential support, but no signs of reversing. Ooh, outside bar reversal. Just watching. Sitting on my pause. Being patient. Let's set one candle to finish on the 5 minute chart, you know what I mean? Let's set one candle finish on the 5 minute. The 5 minute currently looks like this. We have a gap above that needs to fill. Will it fill today? I don't know. I don't know that. Answer to that question. 2,500 tick chart. Pretty messy here as well. Don't like anything here. We are bouncing off this channel, the bottom of the channel here that was drawn, based off these pivots above here. Could be a accurate channel here. Fails second entry short. I'll consider it. Probably the best setup so far. Second entry short. If we were like closer to this top of this channel, maybe I'll go short here. If we get a good signal bar off of the top of this channel, then maybe, yeah, consider it. Okay, so we're touching the top of this channel now. Interesting. Okay. I mean, if we're above the 20 MA, I cannot take a short here. Signal bars. I mean, signal bar's decent, but it's above the 20 MA. That's the main problem here. That's the main issue here. We're above the 20 MA. So it feels like I just short. Basically, right, double bottom. It didn't give me the short. Right, if it actually gave me this, I would have been more interested in taking that. A, B, C. A fails like I just short, and then taking the reversal back up. That's what I was saying. I was looking for a trap here, but it never triggered. Give me a micro double bottom instead. So I mean, it just never gave it to you. Again, I'm not gonna be mad at myself from skipping a trade because my setup did not trigger. When your setup's not there, then it's not there. Move on. Next trade. But I mean, I guess this channel is accurate. It did bounce off of it down here, and notice that that information was given with past information, right? It wasn't with hindsight bias. I drew this line. I drew this line with past information, right? Using these pivots up here, using this pivot below here, we've got this new pivot or this new area of support, and it actually was a good area of support here, which is right. Which is the only time, right, that charting is useful. You cannot chart with hindsight bias because there's absolutely no point to that, in my opinion, unless you're like trying to learn or something. It's not much point. Pandas, good morning everybody. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Pandas, today is giveaway Wednesday. We got a special giveaway today. 250K TPT accounts, and these are more valuable than Apex accounts. Why? Well, one thing is because they're more expensive. They are more expensive than Apex accounts. But secondly, if you can get them funded, if you can possibly get them funded, you can trade with zero consistency rules. The only consistency rule, really, I guess it's not really a consistency rule, but the only time you're prohibited from trading is with news. With news. Feels like I just short here. Actually does trigger, but I'm gonna set up my pause here. I'm not exactly sure what's happening here. It's not the prettiest price action, I'll tell you that much. Maybe second entry long, I'll be more interested. Gad, did I miss a good one? Nope. If I win this, turns to Whiskey Wednesday. Whiskey Wednesday. I mean, might as well. Should we turn it to Whiskey Wednesday as well? Giveaway Whiskey Wednesday. We just do it all today. Whiskey Wednesday. Maybe it's a good day to do Whiskey Wednesday. Jeez. It is always a good time to do Whiskey Wednesday. I'm going to draw it like this because we have a pretty strong bounce. With this close, these lows. Let's try that. Okay. Pushing back to the top of the channel again. Most likely going to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. But most likely doesn't mean it will. But there's a high chance, especially if there's a strong bull bar, a high chance. You know what? I'm taking Big Mama today, no? Should I not take Big Mama? I should take Big Mama today. Whoa. Hello. Bouncing back down. I'll take Big Mama here. Okay. This is getting quite volatile, actually. Kind of out of nowhere. Quite volatile. Let's take Big Mama today. I think it's a good day to take Big Mama if we can get it. Second entry long maybe forming here. Second entry long might be worth. Maybe here. I I don't love it. Like, let me just say this. I don't love the second entry long here. The good signal bar, I would like it more. Signal bar is but clearly above the 20 MA. There's a doji bar and a signal bar. Coming off our trend line, coming off the 20 MA. I don't love it. I kind of interested, but don't love it. Turn to always in long the moment that bar closed. Interesting. Okay, just sitting on my pause here. I don't love it. I don't love it. I wish the signal bar was better. I wish the signal bar was a bit better. Signal bar was not there for me. I wish it was a little bit bullish, at least. Wow. All right. What's happening here, pandas? What is happening here? This is disgusting price action, as always. I guess I'll try to go long here and see what happens. Failed attempt to reverse down. Okay. Let's see if we can get a little bamboo here. First trade of the stream. Okay, looks like we're not gonna get anything. It's pushing down a little too much for me. Alright, not interested anymore. In a sense, it's nice. The market made it easy for me to decide what to do here, which is just cancel my trade. The 5 minutes looking quite choppy, right? Just doji bar, then this big wick here. Comes back up to the top of the wick, right? Basically, bulls who bought up here, they came out break even, and then they're coming back down. So now the bulls are out. Bears are in control. Let's see what happens here, though. When will the bulls come back in? I'll put a poll up to see what the password should be. You guys decide what the password should be. Okay, push back up maybe. I'm a little curious to see what happens. I don't feel like convicted in any direction here. Maybe coming back to the bottom of this channel. That's about it. That's the thing I think most right now that could happen. Another thing is that we failed to reach the top of this channel, making it seem like we can actually break down here. If we push down hard. If we push down hard here, pandas, like, it makes me feel like we can break down. We did not hit the top of this channel, so it makes it look like there's more bears than bulls, right? Bearish pressure, we call it. Some bearish pressure here. Fails like entry long, maybe an okay setup here. White, maybe. Quite maybe. Very maybe. Pandas, if you're scared you're gonna miss the password, do not worry. If you're just a regular viewer, do not worry. You will not. You cannot miss it. I'll simply say you cannot miss it. Do not be stressed. You cannot miss it. Trust me. I will make sure you guys know it. And it goes without saying, when it comes to giveaway time, if the person's like struggling with the password, obviously don't say it. Don't tell them password. Not only is that unfair for everyone, but in a sense, you kind of hurt yourself because now you lost a chance that possibly you can win, right? Because if they don't know the password, then we're going to redraw. So definitely don't tell them. Definitely don't say it. Fail second entry long. Do I love it? Nah, not really. It just feels like trading range price action. Looks like bulls are buying at the bottom of this bar. I don't know. I feel like there's bulls beneath. I'm not very interested in this trap. And it's not really happening in a place where you want it either. Traps, you want it on the big reversal areas. Failed trap might be better setup here. Failed trap. All right, this trap going down. It's beneath the 20 MA, which is stinky. Strong bull bar though. Yikes. All right. Touche. I'll take the fail second entry short here. Actually, second entry short here. Fail second entry short is probably the best setup here. Blue Steel suggested the password Magnum. He would. The password might as well just be Zoolander at this point. Can we tell the wrong? Of course, you can tell them the wrong password for sure. No, that's hilarious. That's exactly what you want to do. What is this? I mean, if they don't know, they don't know. You know what I mean? Fail second entry short, but it's beneath the 20 MA, so it's a stinker. It's a stinky one. It's a good signal bar for it though. Possibly looking for a new low now. I typically don't like to trade on the wrong side of the 20 MA. As in, if we're trying to go long, I don't like to trade beneath it. Right, that trap does fail. Fails quite hard, actually. New low created. Okay, so we got 2 failed traps in a row. It's quite disgusting. Might be one of those days. Just might be one of those days. You know what I mean, Panis? Might be one of those days. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. This tells you everything you need to know about today. Disgusting, yeah, see? It's just absolute nasty price action right now. It's not tradable in my opinion. I mean, you can trade it, but not worth. Not worth. You know how like terrible that is? This trap fails and then the second entry short works out. This is terrible. We got another trap going to the downside here. Decent push down. Coming, like I said, we might break down this channel because we failed to hit the top here. So showing us that there's bearish pressure here. We could break down. We could break this channel now. Could be a strong push down. Could be downtrend day today. Bouncing off this channel again though. Quite obviously. Again, 1, 2, 3. Strong bear bar ending on his low 2500 tick chart. No follow through. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful of those no follow throughs. You gotta be real careful with those. I think this is appropriate here. Okay, first entry. Second entry short. Is it forming here? No second entry short. Well, yeah, no second entry short. Okay, always in short on the 2500 tick chart. The moment this bar closed, people just sold, showing more bearish pressure. Bears are in control right now, I believe. Are they still in control? First entries. If you want a breakout, you want a strong breakout. Especially when you break down from a descending channel, it has to be pretty strong. Like you want it to be a very obvious move, and this is not obvious to me. The word free brings in more. Well, it is free. That's absolutely true. I mean, it's sad, but hey, at least more people are like being exposed to the stream. More people know we're here, and that's amazing, right? We brought some old faces back, old names back. Panda must do this giveaway just for people who are active in the stream every day. It doesn't work like that. I mean, the part kind of a reason you do like giveaways is to get new people to join. Lee, good morning. We got some old people coming back here. There's some like old names here that I haven't seen in a while. Old people, old name, same thing. What am I doing here, pandas? Am I trying to go short? Always in short on the 5-minute chart? Absolutely. Always in short on the 5-minute chart. People just selling that huge bear bar on the 5-minute. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough trade. I had Big Mama set up, but this is looking like a bear trend right now. I had Big Mama set up. I'm gonna get rid of Big Mama. We're pretty far away from it now. If anything, we're closer to Big Mama on the short side. No way to enter into this downtrend right now. It's just grinding down. Just watching it. Bears are absolutely still in control though here. Second to short. I'll take a second to short. If he gives it to me on like some sort of resistance, 20 EMA, top of the channel, something like that, then I would be interested. But giving it to me down here, it's just like it's not worth it for me. Simply not worth it for me. Hey Panda, did you ever use depth of market level 2 data on your trading? I have a long time ago when I used to trade options, but not anymore. The thing about level 2 data, whatever, every single thing gives you like false signals. Like everything will give you a false signal. If you don't incorporate price action into your system, you're doomed to fail. Doomed to fail. If you like just like all those things will always give you false signals. Like even volume. There are some things that have huge volume that don't work out, and it's just like, okay, well, if volume actually works, then why doesn't it work sometime? We missed our target by like a tick here, pandas. It's a darn shame. I mean, I'm looking for 20 points here. I should have got from the 1 to 2, huh? Maybe I'm a little greedy here. I'll keep it though. I'll keep it. If I lose, I lose. If I lose, I lose, pandas. I can protect my 1 to 1. 1 to 2. I can also just take my risk off and look for the 20. Give me my 20 points. I want 20 points here. Give me 20 points. If I don't get it, I don't get it. It's all good, pandas. It is what it is. Maybe I should have protected at 1 to 2. Maybe I should have got my 1 to 2. Still hoping to get my 20. Oh, missed it by a tick. There it is. Easy peasy. Really nice second to short. Like I said, if I just get any type of second short near any type of resistance, either 20 MA or the top of this channel, I would take it. And that's exactly what I did. That's literally exactly what I just did. Good trade. Overall, good trade. Sync. Oh, Big Mama triggers on the 5-minute chart. What a move down. What an insane move down here, pandas. It just like snapped down to Big Mama on the 5-minute. Bounced off of it very, very strongly. Wow. Maybe I should just held. Maybe we could have held it a little bit longer. Big Mama on the 5-minute chart triggers. Right? Big Mama triggers here. And it bounces, bouncing off of it. Interesting. A second entry short here. I'm going to take a fail second entry short here. I'll take a fail second entry short. 2 contracts. We're going to swing it. If we get a fail second entry short here, I'm swinging it. Get marker double top. When you get this like kind of spike down to a area support and it bounces off of it, like potential V bottom. Potential V bottom here. Potential V bottom. The V bottom's not that strong though. This is a V bottom. It's not a very strong V bottom. We're up 400 pandas. Easy peasy. Oh, my record right now. Update that record. 1-0. Second just short here. Maybe people just want to take their profits. Hitting the previous day's low. The weak bulls are out. Maybe the strong bulls are still in. Maybe second attempt on Big Mama could be a decent move down. OI pattern on the 2500 tick chart. Could be a decent push down here. Yeah, I'm sitting my pause. I'm not entirely sure. No need to force anything here, pandas. If you don't love it, just don't do it. If you love the trade, then of course take it. But if you don't love the trade, why go in? Just you gotta just take the trades you love. You absolutely love. Bub Stocks, good morning. Charles Wilson, good morning. Welcome everybody. Charles Wilson has won so many giveaways. I think he's won like 3 giveaways on this channel. Is he destined to win again? Alright, it is a big push down. That Big Mama does work with the second attempt here, but I didn't love it, so it is what it is. Getting choppy here. It is a strong push down, I'll tell you that much, pandas. Like, we could be in a downtrend. We got huge gaps beneath that need to fill. Like, let me show you the 5-minute chart, pandas. Huge gaps. Like, this huge gap needs to fill. And this huge gap needs to fill. We got a bunch of gaps beneath that need to fill. And we are not filling them. This is just sinking, pandas. And I don't have much of a setup to get in here. What can I say? It's sinking, though. Surely it's sinking. I was not expecting this to flush this much. Huge push down the 5-minute chart. Let me show you the 5-minute chart. Look at these huge red candles, pandas. I mean, like, we had this consolidation for a little bit, and then we just got huge bear candles here. Bear trend day today? Maybe I'll just sell everything. Sell anything, everything right now. Could be one of those days. Could really be one of those days. Wow. This 5-minute candle is insane. This 5-minute candle is absolutely on insano mode right now. It's absolutely in insano mode. This 5-minute candle is bigger than like the past like 100 candles. This candle's bigger than like the past. All the candles from the last 2 days is bigger than all the candles. This one candle here, pandas. I'll tell you that much. We got Big Mama approaching on the Globex session now. Do I want to take it on the Globex is a question. I'll be more comfortable with some sort of setup. Small pullback would be nice too. It could just be an undershoot now. Right, we had this like pretty narrow channel. And we have an undershoot on it. Right, we're breaking beneath it, which often leads to an overshoot. Right, just usually market like symmetry here. YL, you can we ban him? That wouldn't be fair. Ralph Gruns, good morning. Welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Second just short here. Do I love it? No, not really. People probably looking for profits. People probably looking to take their profits here. the close of this 5-minute bar, people probably taking their profits, in my
2500
opinion.
tick trap. 2500 tick trap.
All right, let's vote for the password. Got a couple of things here. People taking their profits at the close of the 5-minute bar, like I said. Right when that closes, people are taking their profits. Such a big bar, people want to take their, protect some bamboo. But then all the weak bears are out. And if it pushes back down again, we get some strong bears to come in. What should the password be today? By the way, pandas, you need to know the password in order to receive the giveaway. So even if you win the giveaway, if you don't know the password, then you can't win it. That's part of the reason. It's like if you just join just for the giveaway, then okay, I guess that's good for you. But it's kind of nice trying to separate those who are joining just for the giveaway versus those who are actually want to watch the stream. You kind of want to give things away to those who are somewhat supporting you, right? You don't want to just give it away just for no reason. Pandas. Make sure you scalp that like button. Hidden fail signature short here. A, B, C, A. Hidden failed second entry short. It's crazy. It's a hidden second entry. So the reversal of that is a hidden trap, essentially. We're gonna sit on our pause here. I don't want to take anything that complex. While I joined 3 years ago just for the giveaway. Still waiting to win. Yeah, you know I'm supporting since a long time. I know, you guys are great. You guys are great.
2500 tick trap.
Second entry short coming off our trend line and 20 EMA now. Maybe decent short to take. I'll try here, actually. Let me try here. If it traps, and I'll get out. But this could be a decent short here. Coming off our trend line and 20 EMA now at this point. On a strong downtrend. If it traps, so be it. I mean, I'm taking the appropriate risk here. Let's see if we can at least test the bottom here. If it traps, so be it. I think it's an okay trade. Coming off our trend line and 20 EMA. Second entry short. Multiple chances. Oh, iPad. Whoa!
2500.
Am I still in? Oh, I'm still in this. Oh, I got to flatten. Whoa, what's happening? Flatten again. Flatten. I don't know what's happening. Whoa, I'm out of the trade. Okay, I'm out of the trade. I don't know what just happened. It went up so quick. It like messed up my rhythmic. That shot up so fast, pandas. Like, so fast my rhythmic got messed up. What in the world? Okay, I guess I was wrong. That's... I don't know what happened. It kind of got crazy. I would say that we're 1-1 now. We are 1-1. Are we in an uptrend now? Have we just completely reversed here? I think the trade was worth it coming off the two key areas. Not the worst trade in the world. I think if you continue to take trades like this, the only main issue is probably too many overlapping bars, I think. If we're still above this trend line by the time this triggers, I may go long here. Actually, no, I think I gotta go short. Feels like entry long is what I'm looking for. Coming off our trend line and 20 EMA here. Seems like a silly trade to take to go long. Seems silly to go long here, especially bad signal bar. Definitely can't go long now. Looking for a failed second entry long. Probably going with two. Probably going with two here. Two contracts. If we can go short here, I'd love that. Failed second entry long. I think that's a prime setup. We're looking for prime setups here. Yikes. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's absolutely get this. Maybe I'll take it with TPT. Maybe I also will take it with TPT here. Okay, I need my setup to trigger. Okay, we got our setup. We got our setup here. Not looking pretty. That's not the way you wanna. Okay. We got a fail second entry long. I thought it was a really good setup, pandas. Like, we got a key area down here. I went with 2. We're 1 and 3 right now. I thought that was a good setup, pandas. What can I say? I mean, we had such a strong downtrend. You're thinking one more test at the bottom here. But that failed trap could signal for us. We might have a big old reversal here. Jeez Louise. Looking for a new high possibly now. Wild bribe. Wild, I appreciate it. Thanks for your 10 Hong Kong dollars. Equaling to $1.29 USD. I appreciate it. I really do. I appreciate it. Our top giver here. All right, looks like the obvious winner is going to be Big Mama. We're going to end the poll. Pandas. All right, that's the password. No denying it. Big Mama. OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. We're going to take this OI pattern here. I think I'll take it on multiple. OI pattern here on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if we can get some bamboo here. The 5-minute OI. Especially on a downtrend, right? When you have a OI pattern with trend, that's the best way. That's the best way to take it. You want to take this with trend. So it's going down. If you have OI pattern, you want to take it with trend. It's the best way to take it. Oh, I didn't mean to bribe with that much money. $1 bribe. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. The password is Big Mama Pandas. I'm telling you, you won't miss it. You won't miss it. Okay. It's getting a little bit sus, though. Going quite sideways here. I want to take this to the downside. It's an OI pattern. And I think it's going to flush if we do trigger it. Let's hope so, because I got 2 contracts on the line here. Could be OII pattern forming here, which would be even better once it triggers, right? It's even stronger pattern. OII pattern. Okay. Got 1 more minute for this candle to finish. Let's see if we get something nice. I'm gonna have to move my order up the moment this candle finishes. And I hope I can do it quick enough. Because who knows, at the end of the candle it can zoom down or zoom up. It could be very hard to time. Okay. Like I said, the end of the candle can zoom up, zoom down. Okay, we're in. Hopefully it breaks down. We get a nice move down without much pullback here. It looks like we're pulling back quite a bit here, which is unfortunate. Pull back very strong here. It's unfortunate. 5 minute. You're thinking OI pattern here. closes within this candle, which is a stinker. Right? That's not what you want. You want to close beneath here. It's a darn shame. It's giving us. It's being very confusing now. Unfortunately, at this point. But I think this is how you trade this. You're on the other side of the inside bar. If it fails, it fails. You gotta go for at least a 1-to-1, I think. We'll go for the 1-to-1. We're gonna let this play out here. Let's see if we can get the 1-to-1 at least here. I lost some TPT accounts with that trade, unfortunately. Man, this got very choppy. It's just such a strong push back up. It looks like a reversal back up, almost. Like, it looks like it wants to reverse up strong. Like, really strong. Which is unfortunate. It looks super ugly on 2500 tick chart. So many overlapping bars. Well, let's just see if this plays out, right? Because you're in a downtrend. You have an OI pattern in a downtrend. I think it's the appropriate trade to take. Right, breaking with trend here. That's what you want. Fortune lost some TPT accounts. Darn. OI pattern. Like, whenever you're in trade and it's on the wrong side of it for most of the time, it's never a good feeling, right? Like, I'm trying to go short here, but this trade for most of the time has been above my entry, which is not a good sign. Most of the time. Hopefully get a nice push down. We'll see, though. Hopefully get a nice push down. We shall see. Okay. Seems like it's going the right direction now. Took some time for it to cook. We're finally cooking a little bit. You're thinking at least a 1-to-1. That's what I'm thinking. If you can't get a 1-to-1 on these trades, it's not worth. You know what I mean? Like, if you cannot get a 1-to-1 on these trades, like the EV, I think the EV is negative. You got to get at least a 1-to-1 here. Let's see if we can get the 1-to-1. Could be a strong push down. Breaking the previous candle's low on the daily chart. Okay, comes back up, making this even more sus, right? Closing above where I entered in. Again, possibly. Making this weaker. Every time it does that, it makes it weaker and weaker. This is a Walmart trade for me. I'm just gonna let this play out. I mean, we got a giveaway later. Let's just let this play out. Let the giveaway play out. We have all the time in the world. Pandas, the password is Big Mama. If you don't know the password during the time of the giveaway, then you cannot be eligible to win. So make sure you know the password. Take note of it. Password is Big Mama. I'm going to keep it up here for a little bit longer, and I'll take it off probably in about a minute here. This is looking suspicious. Super suspicious. Wow. It is having a hard time breaking down here. It's having a really hard time breaking down. I'll tell you that much. A really hard time making a strong move down. Again, seems like it's going to close above where I entered, which is never what you want. Right? You don't want to spend most of its time above on the wrong side of your entry. It just seems like the bulls are accumulating here now. All the bulls are accumulating. Oh, I mean, if you lose, you lose. I've lost plenty of trades, pandas. It's no news to me if I lose this. I just think it's worth. Super strong push down. and you're in a downtrend. You got an OI pattern breaking to the downside, and you got to get the appropriate, not just the appropriate risk, but you need the appropriate reward. And I'm waiting for my reward to come out. It's starting to reverse here, maybe. It's a big problem. Big problem for us. Let's hope we can get some bamboo here. I would prefer to win this trade than lose it. Hope that makes sense for most of you guys. But again, closing above my entry is not good news for me. It looks like my entry is like a very strong support now. Right? Like if we had a line here, it looks like strong support. Keeping it up. Hopefully this could be the push down. If it's not this, then I'm not sure when it's going to be. If it's not this candle, if it's not the third candle, I'm not sure when it's going to be. I'm not entirely sure. I could have came out break even plenty of times. We're going to hold this trade though. We're going to hold it. Might hold it till the giveaway. Who knows?
2500 tick trap.
Okay, really strong setup now on the 2500 tick chart. Ooh, looks like it's reversing though. Okay. Sitting on my pause on this one. I'm gonna let it cook. Let him cook! Pandas! Just be patient. Just being ultra patient here. Okay, pushing down. Very nice. You want more of that? More of that pushing down. It's looking like some sort of channel here starting to develop. Might grind down for the rest of the... It might take some time. I don't know. But in a sense, it looks like it wants to reverse up, in a sense. You know what I mean? When you have a flag or descending channel like this, it's usually a bullish setup. We're up 500. Not bad. Not too shabby. Being up 500 is not too shabby here. But you gotta let this cook, in my opinion. If it closes above my entry again, I may just skunk it. Saying that it's just taking too long. This trade is taking too long for my liking. Too long for my liking. Just hold. Let it cook. Let it cook. See what happens. It's like basically 4 overlapping bars in a row. Just let it cook. Let the trade cook. Pandas, by the way, it's not too late to sign up for the giveaway. The video, there's a comment video you need to put a comment in. It's in the pinned message. Make sure you comment in that video so you can be eligible for the giveaway. Also, you need to know the password. If you don't know the password, you cannot win. And the password has already been revealed. Let him cook! Pandas! 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 Looking for that one-to-one. Baby, baby. Looking for that one-to-one. Baby, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Looking for that one-to-one. Let him cook. I can take my risk off here at this point. So if it does for some reason decide to violently reverse up, I can protect myself. It's looking good. It's looking really good now. Give me a strong bear bar. I would love that. Strong bear bar with some follow through. I would love, absolutely love that right now. Strong bear bar with some follow through. Decent bear bar. It's not super strong. Could be buyers beneath, but hopefully not. Strong bear bar ending near its low. On its low. Ooh. The moment it closes, gets bought up. It's not. Ooh. Hello.
Target filled.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Filled.
No! I made too much money. I made too much money, pandas. No! Easy peasy. I made a little too much money there, pandas. If you don't know, there's a certain max amount of money you can make. Now I'm on a mission to lose 2 hundo here. I'm on a mission to lose 2 hundo.
500 tick trap.
I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long here. I'm gonna counter trend trade this. I'm on a mission to lose 2 hundo. Okay. I'm going long here. Hopefully I can lose this trade. It'll be quick and easy. No extra. It's a second just short. Quick and easy. Lose this trade quick and easy. Just need to lose 2 hundo here. And I think we are good. My goodness, can we just lose this trade? I'm going to come out break even if it does come back up. We need to lose this trade. I think we're good. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, we're good. 1555. 1555. 1555 divided by 0.3. I think it's close enough, right, pandas? Is that not close enough? Is that not close enough, pandas?
2500 tick trap.
Do I gotta lose 55 bamboo roonies? All right, I'm gonna lose just a little bit more here. I'm gonna go long at the break of this low. Okay, going long here. Oh no, I'm selling. Oh shoot, I'm selling. Oh no, I'm selling. No, I did the wrong thing. I did the thing I usually do. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Come on, break even. All right. Oh no. No. Do not make too much money. I'm not gonna. Wow. Okay, I'm making too much money. All right, now I gotta lose $170, pandas. I gotta lose 170. I'm trying to go long. I'm gonna go long here. At the break of the previous candle's high, I'm going long. I'm going long here. Break of previous candle's high. Wow, I just missed it. I just missed it by a tick. No way. I missed it by a tick. I'm trying to go long. Okay, I'll go long here. The break previous candle's low. Jeez. Okay, counter trend trade. Gotta lose just enough here. Gotta lose just enough here. Counter trend trading. We're trying to lose just enough here. Trying to lose like about $150.
Target filled.
Okay, trying to lose $300 now. All right, okay, I'm gonna go long. I'm going long. I'm going long here. Going long. This will lose 2 hundo here. If I win this again, I'm gonna stop because I don't want to increase my threshold too much. So if I win this trade, I'm done. I cannot win this trade. I really cannot win it. I gotta lose just enough money. Oh boy, I'm gonna win this trade, aren't I? I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna win this. Oh my goodness, I'm winning. I cannot lose. I cannot lose. Okay, one last try, pandas. We're gonna buy at the second inch short here. We're gonna buy it here. Okay, this is flying now. This is a strong reversal back up. Maybe it's time to sell, yeah? Maybe it's time to sell. I'm going to sell here at the break of this bar. And the objective here is to lose 2 hundo. Or 4 hundo at this point. Actually 5 hundo. Oh, I don't want to lose too much money. I'm gonna sell here, thinking we're gonna reverse strongly up. Okay. At this point, take me. Let the winds take me to wherever it needs to take me. Trap triggers, great. Exactly what I want. Trap triggers, that is great. It's exactly what I want. I want this to fly high. Strong reversal here, please. If you don't know, the 150K accounts, you need $5,100 account profits in order to withdraw. And that's the minimum you need. And so there is a 30% consistency rule that you need to abide by. And that means that you can make max per day $1,500. We're currently at $2,000. So what I'm actually trying to do, I'm trying to lose a little bit of money so I can stay within that max consistency rule. If this comes back down, pandas, I'm just going to come out break even. I'm just come out break even here because I do not want this to crash. Because if this trap fails, this could be a very strong push back down, and I don't want to make like being up $2,000. I can live with that, right? I can get my counts up to what I needed to get to. Right? If I had $2,000, I mean I need to make $6,666. I can live with that. That is a reasonable goal to reach for me. That is absolutely a reasonable goal to reach for me. So this is going to make me lose 4 hundo. I need to lose 5 hundo, which means 30 points. It's quite far. I actually need to lose this much money. To lose 30 points here. Huh. Jeez Louise. I'm going to just take the close of this bar. Goodness, what in the world? Can I just... There we go. All right, you know what? 1585? It's not too shabby, right? I think I can live with 1585. Plus, you got commissions, right? You got a couple commissions along the way. It's going to bring it down. It's going to bring it down. I think we're good, Pan. I think we're in a good position here. 1585 is a good place to be. I lost more or less 400 in threshold. It's fine. It's fine. 400 threshold is fine. It's nothing. Nothing that concerns me. Nothing that concerns me. I think we're good. That is actually perfect. Let's just keep it like that. Pandas! We made max today. And what was the trade? The inside bar, the OI pattern. We let it cook, right? This OI pattern here. Outside, inside bar. I just put a entry at the bottom of this inside bar. So if you guys don't know what an OI pattern is, especially with the downtrend, right? We're with trend and you're trading the inside bar with trend. So you got the OI pattern. Basically, this bar is completely inside this bar. So we call this outside bar and the inside bar. OI pattern. And you set up the setup is so easy. You just sell if you break beneath, you buy if you break above. And if it triggers the sell order, then you put your stop loss on the other side of the inside bar and vice versa. And you look for the 1-to-1. We got the 1-to-1 on that trade. Almost the 1-to-2 was met, but we made the 1-to-1. That was what I mainly wanted, especially because I was making too much money at that point. So we lost a little threshold, but Pandas, I think it's worth it because it makes it so we don't have to make so much money once we get to payouts. Pandas, one last time. Here it is. Top of your screen, top and center, your password. You need to know this password. If you don't know this password by the time of the giveaway, then you cannot win. I'm going to set this up for one more time for those who might have missed it. But we're going to set this up one more time. I'm going to show you guys one more time here. I'm going to keep it up for just a little bit so you guys know. The password's obviously tilt. You guys don't want anyone to know the password anymore, huh? Ah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Last chance to write the password down. We're going to do the giveaway in about 15 minutes. We're going to do the giveaway in about 15 minutes here, pandas. Do not fret. It's not too late to join the giveaway. Make sure you guys put a comment in the comment video. And we're going to refresh the comment video at 10:45. And we will grab the comments there. And it will seal the deal. You cannot join after that. I'm going to keep it up for here until 10:35. Make sure you guys know. Keep it up for 5 minutes. Whoa, John Q. What in the world? I've never seen that before. That's so cool. How did you even do that? That's really cool. How in the world did you do that? Ooh. That is interesting. I've never seen that. This guy knows some secrets. Encrypted for safety. That's cool. I didn't know you could do that. That's real cool. Alright, we'll keep the password up for a little bit longer. Zalgo text, I got it. He like wrote out the password but had all these like things all over it. That's kind of cool. It looked like this. Make sure you get the passwords. Make sure you get the password. All right, let's keep it up for till 33. Last chance. That's it. What? Actually, we are right now. What's our record right now? We update the record. We are 3-3. But we made max, so we cannot really trade this account anymore. Once you hit max, that's it. All right. It seems like a lot of you guys don't want the password up. I mean, I understand. I understand your point. The way you enter the giveaway is you got to put a comment in the video that's in the pin message. Thing is, anyone can look at the video, watch the stream, and just reverse it. Just replay it, try to find the password. You know what? That's a lot of people, what they try to do. They actually try, like, once they realize they win, they try to go through, they don't respond, like, within, like, the 2 minutes. And then they try to, like, watch the video, watch the stream replay, and they're like, oh, I can't find it. We are retesting the previous day's low here. Unfortunately, my TBT counts are absolutely busted here. I would jump on TPT now, but let's see if we can get a quick reset on these.
5-minute trap.
All right. Four, three, nine. Yep. All right, let's see here. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get some bamboo on our TPT accounts right now. Should be set to go here. Wait a second. All right. We got TPT counts. I'm gonna go for it. Second entry short on the 2500 tick. See if we can make some bamboo here. Second entry short off the 2500 tick. Okay, it's looking really sus here to take the short. Wow. All right, all right. A second just short, 2500 tick. Maybe not the best trade ever. Top left of your screen. We're on our TPT accounts now. Let's try. Let's try here. This is staying above the 20 EMA. Ooh, it's about to trigger. All right, we're in. Let's see if we get our TPT. Top left of your screen. We are on our TPT accounts now. We're simply trying to make $2,000 on one trade here. So we can get above the trailing threshold. Or yeah, so we can get above the trailing threshold, get to the static threshold. That's the first goal on these funded accounts. You want to get them to the static threshold so you can start swing trading them. It's a second just short on the 2500 tick chart. Will it be enough for me to make 12.5 points? It's looking, feels and looks sus to me. I might skunk this trade here. I mean, it's the first second just short. I gotta try, right?
500 tick trap.
If it traps,
5-minute trap.
it's almost a good trade to take. Ooh. To go to the opposite side. Almost a really good trade to reverse if it does trap. Yikes. Alright, my trap here.
2,500 tick trap.
I don't know if it's worth taking on the other take profit. Another take profit to trade on the other side of this. Is it worth? Nah, I'll just take the hit. Hopefully it doesn't come to that. Hopefully it doesn't come to that, but we got 5 overlapping bars in a row. I may skunk this. May skunk this trade. Let it cook. May skunk it. Maybe I should have skunked it and take the opposite if it does trigger the opposite. Let him cook. Yikes. Alright. This might be enough for me to reverse this trade. Let it cook. Either you win or lose. No other options here. Try to get to the static threshold here. Kinda want to skunk this trade. It's starting to cook a little bit now. Starting to cook a little bit now. Every time it gets down here, it just reverses back up. Oof. I don't know. This is sus. It's feeling and looking sus. Alright, I'm coming out. I'm going to reverse it here. I'm going to take the trap trade. Let's take the reversal. I lost a little bit on that, but I think it's worth. I think I got way too sus. We're going to take the trap trade here. I think this is a way better setup if it does trigger. Let's see if we can get it here. If it traps here, it's way better setup than going short. I would like it if it does trigger now. If it does go back down, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Maybe I should let it cook. Darn. Maybe I should just let it cook. I think the setup was way better to go short here or long here now. But looks like it's actually going to work out. My original trade is going to work out. Darn. I don't know. Is it worth trying to take my original trade again? Too hard to say. It's kind of bearish now. Live to fight another day. Live to fight another day. It's very sus. Closing beneath the 20 EMA now. Still looks good for a short. Okay, it looks really good for a short. If it breaks this low, that's a really good sign. I think I gotta try if it breaks this low.
$2,500 tick trap.
Wowzers. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. This price action's got disgusting. Wow. It's like 70,000 candles in a row. Overlapping. Hopefully we can get this one trade in. Hopefully. This is sus. Extremely sus. Extremely suspicious. Just go my original trade again is the question. Alright. Looks like we're triggered. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's already looking sus. But if we broke that low, I felt like we gotta go short here at this point. We gotta try. If we broke that low. Yikes. Going back up. I'm about to lose this. I think I'm about to lose this account here. I mean, we're clearly underneath the 20 EMA here. Clearly underneath the 20 EMA. I don't know if I can. I think I gotta stay short here. We're clearly underneath the 20 EMA. I think I gotta stay short here. Oh, wow, it's reversing strongly. I'm about to lose these accounts. Of course I don't want to lose them. Of course I don't want to lose them if I don't have to. Let's let it cook. Let it cook. And I'm done. Took out 4.
Target filled.
All right, I'm done. It's too sus. If it does work out, it does work out. I mean, it's just taking way too long. I mean, if this flushes now, so be it. Yeah, it's pushing down a little bit more. It's got way too suspicious. Got way too suspicious. Oof. You gotta hate that. Ah, that hurts, pandas. That hurts. I should have let it cook a little bit more. It just got so incredibly choppy. I hated it. I really hated it. Got so incredibly choppy there. I felt like when it broke that low, we just had to go short. I think at that point my mental capital was already drained. You know what I mean? I think at that point my mental capital was already like shot. What's my drawdown on these? 48,225. I got a $1,000 drawdown still. All right, let's stick to the 500 tick. Man, it got just super choppy. All right, pandas. Pandas. Are you ready? It's about that time. It's about that time, pandas. Are you ready? All right, pandas. This is it. If you did not comment on that video, it is too late now. We're going to solidify the comments here. It says there's 86 unique comments. 86 unique comments. I'm using this website, so you know 100%. Like, I'm not fibbing anything here. It's purely the website. You know, you can't blame me at this point. It's just the website at this point. You know what I mean? Pandas. 86 unique comments. Are you ready? The first winner of the free TPT accounts is going to be... Hold up. Almost forgot. First winner of the free TPT 50K account is Steve T 2061. His comment was, for sure. Steve T, are you here? You have 2 minutes to respond. If you don't respond in 2 minutes, we're moving on. Steve T, are you here? We're going to end your chance to win at 10:51. How about that? Or 10:52. How about that? We'll give you a little more chance. Steve T, are you here? Steve T, hello? Anybody there? It is a $119 value. $119 value. Steve T, where are you at? What do you expect from a Steve? What? What's wrong with Steve? Steve is a great name. Let's give him a couple minutes to respond. Typical Steve activity. Steve T. Hola, ¿dónde está? What kind of name is Steve? Oh my goodness. What's wrong with you guys? We'll give him 30 seconds because we kind of gave him at 30. Trust me, pandas. You want the same amount of grace. You want the same amount of grace. I don't think Steve is here. I don't even hear a whisper. Sorry, Steve. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Lucky you guys. To our next winner. Drum roll, please. Moving on. The next winner, or the first winner of our free TPT accounts is Unam1. Either I win or this giveaway is rigged. Unam1. Are you here? You have until 10:54 to respond. Wait. Oh, that's YL. Oh, I'm reading the name. YL. Oh my goodness. Can you believe it? YL. I can't believe it. After how many giveaways? His bribe worked. Oh my gosh. I just read the name. I didn't realize it said YL. Congratulations, YL. Make sure you email here. Send me your email at this email address, support@twoleggedpullback.com. Send that email to that, and we'll get you the free TPT accounts. All right, what an exciting winner. I cannot believe YL won out of 86 contestants. He had 1 out of 86 chance, and this guy's been wanting to win for how long? 3 years from now. It's 3 years. He's finally won one giveaway. I mean, that's peak. That's peak. All right, let's pick another winner. Let me write that down. Get ready. And for the last winner of the free 50K TPT accounts, who will it be? Will it be you? Only one way to find out. And the winner is Avatar 8046. Let's go. Avatar, you here? You have until 55 or 56. We have until 56 for you to respond. Avatar. I've definitely seen Avatar before, but I'm not sure if he's here. Oh, hello, Avatar. What's the password? Do you know the password? Avatar, what's the password? Wait. I gotta make sure. Yes, this is Avatar. This is the right Avatar. Big Mama. Avatar. Congratulations. Congratulations. Send an email to here. Send an email right away as soon as you can. And once you send that email, I will contact you personally and we will get those accounts to you. Everybody, thanks for joining. You guys have been great. I thank all you guys for your support. I do appreciate it. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. We'll be here live again tomorrow. Back live at it again. I'll see you guys then. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.